Tonight, we are just a few hours away from another impactful weather event and just in time for the weekend. Rain, strong winds, and some much warmer temperatures will be here for much of your Saturday.
Our senior meteorologist Matt Wentz is here now tracking it all. Matt, what's the latest?
Well, Russ and Laura, you covered it. We've got rain on the way. That's the initial thing that's going to hit really over the next couple hours. We're going to deal with a soaking downpour tonight, and then we deal with wind. That is going to be the biggest impact from the storm system tomorrow. We have a very windy Saturday. And then the third fold, we've got temperatures that are going to spike, and then they're going to crash tomorrow evening. So we'll take you through it. Let's talk rain chances first. Notice how our rain chances really ramp up 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. As you're getting started on your Saturday morning, we are going to have rain around. The real soaking rain arrives overnight tonight while most of us are sleeping. So here's our storm system. Pretty good look at it. It's grabbing a lot of Gulf of Mexico moisture, bringing it up into the Ohio Valley. You notice the initial rain bands now coming back at us, approaching our southern counties. This is the soaker that moves in here overnight into tomorrow morning, maybe even a couple rumbles of thunder. Not expecting any severe weather. Boy, have they seen a severe weather event tonight, though, as expected, down towards areas of Mississippi and Tennessee. Notice the storms that have been breaking out. They've had numerous tornadoes reporting, coupled on the ground right now, several tornado emergencies in areas of Mississippi with debris lofted some 22,000 feet in the atmosphere. Not a good night for them. As you head north, it's a flood threat all along the Ohio River. That's going to have some flooding problems for days to come. But the bigger story is the wind with this. As this low pressure really starts to ramp up, you get the wind, the vacuum that comes into that. That is the wind pouring into that low pressure. And we've got wind advisories and even newly issued high wind warnings out for a good portion of northeast Ohio, including Cleveland, Lake Geauga County, back into Lorain, and down towards the Mansfield area, where we're going to have gusts tomorrow up to 60, even strong winds out towards Youngstown. So taking it hour by hour tomorrow morning, not a big deal with the wind. It's noon thereon that we get gusts over 50, maybe even 60 miles per hour tomorrow afternoon. It all ramps down quickly, but that's when the cold air moves in. We'll take you through those wild temperatures, and we'll bring those winds to you in more detail coming up in the forecast.
A lot going on. Matt, thanks. We'll see you in just a bit. And due to those strong winds, the Ohio Turnpike has issued a travel restriction for tomorrow. This goes for all high-profile vehicles, which are taller than 7 feet 6 inches, from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. tomorrow night. We have a full list of all the Turnpike adjustments on our website, WKYC.com.